Hello, hello. Today we are in Taman Setiawangsa to attend the Hari Raya Aidilfitri open house by Suzuki Malaysia. Yes, look at these bikes. All Suzukis. All Suzukis. We are on top of a building where there is a multi-purpose hall, and that's where the event is held at. So it's quite different than the usual event where all these vehicles of the guests are parked by the roadside. There's lots of traffic congestion. You have to have higher traffic controllers. But now, only those who know will know we are here. Otherwise, it's just hidden. Let's go in. Oh, that's the entrance. Yep.
Tak ada lagi yang dorang make up ya?
Tak ada. Yes, this is the entrance. Well, those are orphans that were invited to join this Hari Raya feast.
Diminta untuk scan QR code sebab kita ada program lagi 2 bulan daripada sekarang yang melibatkan semua pemilik motosikal Suzuki. So saya harap semua dapat scan QR code dan berikan nama ataupun kontak number anda supaya kami boleh menghubungi anda untuk program seterusnya lagi 2 bulan daripada sekarang. Terima kasih.